Welcome to Holi Festival, the festival of colors. The main colors of the Holi Festival are red, blue, yellow, green, and pink. Each vibrant shade holds specific cultural and symbolic meaning. Let's celebrate Holi Festival. All right, welcome to March 2nd in Nepal. It's a Holi Festival, festival of colors, and to triumph good over evil, and to separate the winter into spring. Bhaktapur, Kathmandu Valley. Welcome to my Nepalese sisters. Farmhouse, countryside. We have a natural weed growing here. I don't know what. All right.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Welcome to our farmhouse.
Namaste.
Good to see you after 4 years. We are
After
meeting
4
after
years.
4 years.
Happy Holi. Happy Holi.
Welcome.
Namaste.
Welcome to my small house.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.
There is no house, there is farmhouse.
Farmhouse.
No, my house.
And we're doing the tiki, the colors for the Holi Festival.
Welcome, happy Holi, brother.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Let's
Come
get
this
in.
way.
Please come in.
Welcome to the farmhouse, family farmhouse. Take our shoes off. Sister, could you explain the food?
Well, this isn't particularly a food. We have some sweets here, some fruits here, and this is basically for putting tika.
Ah,
Okay,
very good.
we put tika, we receive blessing on this very specious occasion of Holi.
To triumph
And-
the good over evil, and then with Vishnu, could you explain the history?
Yeah, it's a story, it's a mythical story about Vishnu and the devotee Prahlad. And Prahlad was a devotee of Vishnu, where his father was a demon, and then he was against Vishnu, and he wanted to rule. He wanted to be the superior, right? Yeah, superior of all. Yes, the ruler of all. And then Vishnu did not allow him. Yes, and Prahlad was a conspiracy was made where Prahlad was to be put into fire and killed, but with the blessings of grace of Lord Vishnu, he was saved, and the demon, the sister of Prahlad, was burned down. Holika.
yes.
Yes, and Holi is named after Holika.
Holika, Holi.
Yeah, Holi.
Very good. And let the food begin. We are going to have a feast. Dhanyavad. Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Are you ready?
All right, and now we are doing the ceremonial Holi tiki.
Tiki.
Yes.
These are multicolored vermilion powders, and these are skin friendly too.
Okay.
Okay, you don't have
And
to
it's for the ceremony of colors.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Dhanyavad.
काला पनि लगाइदिनु रे
सबै कलर लगाइदिनु रे मलाई
I feel tribal now. Tribal, like
Did you say that?
African tribe.
I was thinking more Mayan, Aztec, Pueblo Indian. And could you explain the?
तिमी एक्सप्लेन गर
Sweets.
के भन्न एक्सप्लेन गर त म स्वीट्सलाई
So what is the?
त्यसको नाम के हो एक्सप्लेन गर न
These are raspberries and gulab jamun. These are all made from milk powder.
Very
हैन
good.
यो चाहिँ इन्डियन स्वीट्स हो भनेर भन न
And you made this.
You can better fill my house.
I feel the warm welcome of Happy Holi. And this is Dai, brother.
Brother,
Hi.
Brother.
No, that.
So, he is son of ours?
He is my son.
Oh,
Yeah.
Dai and
Son.
Father, my
Father.
son.
And father, he is my son.
and Nepali.
Chora.
नेपालीमा
Chora.
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 नेपालीमा बुवा and
Buwa.
छोरा
Boy and Chora.
And
पनि खिचेको भयो नि त मोबाइलबाट
बाबु लगाइदेऊ
लगाइदिनु बाबु
यो मैले पनि लगाइदिएँ
होली
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Thank you.
Here goes the real Holi.
Happy Holi. Dhanyavad, Nepal. All right, the main feast of Holi festival at my dear friends Didi and the whole family for Holi festival and the main course meal. Could you explain what we have here?
We have typical Nepali lunch here. It consists of pulao, fried spinach, some broccoli, sauteed broccolis, carrots for carrots, and paneer gravy. And that's a pickle of radish and potato. And we have fish gravy here.
Very good. All right, let's enjoy.
Yeah, let's enjoy. Happy Holi!
Bhaktapur Durbar Square is a divine kingdom mapped onto earth. Malla kings engineered the palace complex and surrounding city using a sacred 81 square mandala grid, transforming urban planning into a literal universe. At its heart, the open plaza acts as a cosmic center. All right, we're at the Holi festival, Bhaktapur Durbar Square. Not Kathmandu Durbar Square, but Bhaktapur. Tracking back over 2,000 years to the Indian subcontinent, the origin of Holi festival is deeply rooted. It is deeply rooted in ancient Hindu mythology and the agricultural celebration of spring. And happy Holi from Bhaktapur Square, Durbar Square, the Festival of Colors. Triumph of good over evil.